Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for location icon, then click on it. Over here, select close in the pop-up and as you can see, my icon turned white. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, click on location section and manage it by tapping on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!